In this video, we are going to learn countries accepted for seller registration. So make sure that you need to understand which country you are living. So I'm going to show you the list of the country and check if your country is there or not, right? So here is the link actually, countries accepted for seller registration. You can simply go in your seller central and check that if your country is there or not. So simply look at that. There are a lot of countries are here. I will add this link in the description below also so that you can check your country. So basically I'm from India here. Look at that, India is here, and I live in Japan, right? So I don't have any problem. Mostly my audience is from India, Japan, Pakistan or Nepal, Bangladesh, right? So but if you understand English, that's why I'm creating this video in English language. And if you think that you want to check that your country is here or not, simply go with that link or check here that if your country is listed there or not, right? So there are some frequently asked questions. Let's say for example, some people say that sometimes what happened that I'm from one of these countries, but I cannot do the phone verification. Why? So they have explained here why you cannot do the phone verification. Okay. There is also certain format for the phone number, and what are that format you have to check here. Okay. Look at that. What is the correct format for the phone number? So plus is mandatory if you are not in Japan. I think you should go and check the link so that you'll be 100% sure that if you are able to sell on Amazon Japan or not, right? Mostly people, if you are from Bangladesh, Nepal, I don't think so any problem, right? I don't know why, but many Pakistani people, they said that okay, I'm from Pakistan, can I sell? But absolutely you can sell, because look at that, the Pakistan means is listed here already, right? Japan, Pakistan, means Turkey, right? There are a lot of other countries. Almost everybody can sell on Amazon actually, if you have the right documents. And what documents you need, or maybe if you are worried about like how can you start, I have created this product selection formula to find your first product. And in that, if your entity, if you are individual, what kind of documents you need, how to register, step by step, all updated information is included there. So you can go and watch it out if you are interested to sell on Amazon Japan. Yeah, that's it for this video guys, and I will see you in the next video.